Chilled food distribution is a fast-moving and highly complex business. To meet growing customer expectations, retailers need their suppliers to deliver short shelf life complex orders with exactly the right product at the right time at an affordable cost. No mean feat for chilled food distributors. One of the most successful chilled foods companies in the UK and Ireland is Crest.
Crest is the UK's premier chilled manufacturing company, with leading brands such as Cathedral City, Clover and Country Life. We have 21 sites across the UK and we employ over 7,000 people.
Crest keep their edge by constantly monitoring their customers' requirements and adapting their operations accordingly. And in 2000, they built a new national distribution centre, equipped with state-of-the-art technology to cope with the growing volume and complexity of orders.
The National Distribution Centre was designed to hold all of our production from our manufacturing sites and deliver 1.3 million cases to all of our customers, with ever-decreasing order lead times. The NDC distributes 1.3 million cases per week, 1 million of which are hand-picked. Therefore, labour and pick accuracy are important considerations for us. Our customer services department processes up to 500 orders per day. The facility can hold a maximum of 12,000 pallets of finished goods. We have up to 1,100 SKUs.
Crest were an early adopter of data collection and auto ID systems. For their order picking and marshalling, they commissioned 60 vehicle-mounted radio data terminals with tethered scanning systems from Intermec. Whilst these were a successful solution, 5 years of heavy operational use identified a need for design improvements to reduce maintenance and downtime. Crest decided it was time to review the technology.
Initially, we weren't sure what technology to go for. I mean, there's a lot of different technologies on the market. And what we did, we went to a lot of seminars and looked at different products and spoke with other suppliers as well to see what would be relevant for our operation. And I think for a process of elimination, we bought some of those products to site, tried them out, found what worked and what didn't, and then got a better idea about what was going to work for us. In this type of operation, which is very fast moving, we need to have reliability that the kit's actually going to work for us. We want to know that the kit's going to be stable and that it's going to do its job, and I think foremost that's of the most importance to us. Secondly, we want flexibility that if in the future our customers have different requirements, we can meet those requirements. I mean, what we went for in the end is 64 mobile computers from Intermec, the CV60 model, and also around 104 SF51 Bluetooth scanners, and they work together via Bluetooth, and they're vehicle mounted as well.
This is a completely modular solution with an integral aerial and on-screen keyboard. There are no peripheral accessories to maintain. The Bluetooth scanner is personal issue and totally wireless. Crest's decision to choose Intermec as their hardware was not just based on their product line.
We were looking predominantly for a good working relationship. We didn't want a situation where we bought a lot of hardware at great expense and then we're left alone with all this hardware not knowing what to do with it. It was important for us to have sort of a working relationship ongoing throughout the life of the project, so that we'd buy the hardware and then we'd have a backup and support that we needed, whether that was through Intermec or GGIS, someone on site that was able to help us with any issues that arisen.
Intermec looked carefully at Crest's current and future business requirements before developing an appropriate solution with their software and implementation partners, GJ Integrated Systems. This approach was very important to Crest.
Throughout this project, Intermec, GGIS and Crest have been working very closely together, and it's been a case that we've told GGIS and Intermec our business requirements, and they've really looked to find a solution that fits in with that. And by finely tuning the equipment we've chosen and the solution, including the software, I think we've come up with a really good working system.
Crest during the technology changeover. GJ and Intermec's value-added distributor, BlackRock Technologies, delivered and installed the products to meet Crest's prescribed schedule.
It was very important that we wanted to maintain a stable operation here. We couldn't afford any downtime in our operation.
With the new system up and running, the benefits are beginning to show.
think there's been numerous benefits. Users like using the equipment, which is very important to us, and we want it to be suitable to task as well. And we're not having to go and fix the equipment as often, therefore we're not having as much operational downtime.
The NDC is tasked with providing excellent customer service level at least cost, and the facility has enabled us to achieve significant improvements in both of these. The processes we employ have enabled us to achieve pick accuracy in excess of 99.9%.
Although Dairy Crest are now enjoying the benefits of the new solution, they're still keeping their eye firmly on the future.
One of our concerns with this project is that we wanted to make sure that the hardware we bought now wasn't just to help us now, it was for the future. And we're really looking to have a lasting relationship with GGIS and Intermec. When our business changes, we want them to help us make that change with the hardware we use. And I think with the hardware we've chosen, it offers us a degree of flexibility so that we can move along with customers' requirements with the increasing complexity of food distribution, and we can work with the hardware and get the best out of that. We're able to deliver benefits to the customer in terms of accuracy of stock picking. We're able to get closer to the stock with the Bluetooth scanners, or the scan cases, and do more product checks so we make sure that the correct stock goes to the correct customer at the right time.